Diabetes is known as the silent killer because many people do not even realize they have it until serious damage has already started in their body. More than half of diabetic patients are diagnosed late, when complications like heart issues, kidney problems, or vision loss have already begun. Today, I want to show you the subtle early symptoms of diabetes which most people ignore, but recognizing them can protect your long-term health. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ayur Moolam. Diabetes has become one of the fastest growing lifestyle diseases in India and across the world. The dangerous part is that diabetes doesn't always show obvious symptoms initially. Many people think they are just tired, or stressed, or not eating properly. But inside, high blood sugar is silently damaging blood vessels, nerves, and vital organs. That is why awareness is extremely important. In this video, I will explain how diabetes begins, what symptoms demand attention, why they appear, and how to take control before it is too late. Your body starts giving signs long before diabetes becomes severe. You may start going to the washroom more frequently, especially at night. You may feel thirsty again and again. Some people begin to feel very hungry after meals, yet they lose weight without trying. Vision may blur suddenly and then appear normal again. Fatigue becomes constant even if you sleep well. Skin may take longer to heal from small cuts. Some people experience repeated infections or numbness in feet. These are not random issues. They are the result of sugar building up in the blood and affecting normal functions. When the body fails to control sugar properly, two things happen. Either the pancreas does not produce enough insulin or the body becomes resistant to the insulin being produced. Insulin is the key that unlocks your cells to allow glucose to enter and produce energy. When this system fails, glucose remains in the blood. This extra sugar pulls water from the body, causing increased urination and thirst. Since cells are not getting proper energy, constant hunger and fatigue begin. Over time, high sugar damages nerves, which leads to tingling or numbness in hands and feet. In Ayurveda, diabetes is explained as a disorder of kapha and imbalance of Agni, the digestive fire. When digestion weakens, toxins called ama accumulate and block the channels of the body, including those responsible for metabolism and nerve function. Both modern science and Ayurveda agree on one point: diabetes develops silently over years, but its warning signs start early. If you notice these symptoms for weeks or months, blood sugar testing must be done. Fasting blood sugar, post-meal sugar, and HbA1c test give a clear indication of your average sugar levels for the past 3 months. A thyroid check and lipid profile may also be suggested because these conditions frequently occur together with diabetes. If there is family history of diabetes, testing should start earlier and be repeated every year, even if symptoms are mild. The most powerful tool in managing diabetes is diet. Eating balanced meals with more vegetables, protein, and fiber keeps sugar under control. Replacing refined grains with whole grains and avoiding sugary snacks reduces the load on insulin. Eating smaller meals and not overeating at night works in your favor. Hydration helps the kidneys flush extra sugar out of the system. Food should be chosen based on how it affects energy and not only taste. Daily movement plays a crucial role. Walking for 30 to 40 minutes every day improves insulin efficiency and boosts metabolism. Even a simple 5 to 10 minute walk after each meal reduces sugar spikes. Yoga, deep breathing, and meditation control stress, which directly influences sugar levels. Strength training twice a week builds muscle, and more muscle means better sugar control. Medicines may be required depending on the condition of the pancreas and insulin resistance. Doctors commonly prescribe medicines like metformin in early stages. Over time, other medicines may be added for better control. Supplements like vitamin D and omega-3 may support overall health if levels are low, but they should only be taken after medical advice. It is important to never rely solely on herbal or untested remedies without proper monitoring. Diabetes needs scientific care. Lifestyle choices are the foundation of improvement. Sleeping well keeps cortisol levels low and supports hormonal balance. Avoiding smoking and limiting alcohol protects the heart, as diabetes already increases the risk of heart disease. Regular checkups and responsible monitoring prevent complications. When patients take an active role in their treatment, the results are life-changing. The earlier diabetes is recognized, the easier it becomes to protect vital organs. Regular eye checkups prevent vision damage. Foot care avoids nerve and circulation problems. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces internal stress on the pancreas. Keeping blood pressure and cholesterol under control protects the heart. Prevention is not just about avoiding disease, it is about living a full and healthy life without restrictions. Diabetes is not just a sugar problem. It is a lifestyle warning. If ignored, it affects every organ of the body. But when managed correctly, people live long, active and healthy lives. Every symptom, no matter how small it looks, is your body asking for help. Understanding these early signs is the key to staying ahead of the disease. Knowledge is your strongest protection. If this video helped you understand diabetes better, please like and share it so that more people can recognize the signs early. You can write your concerns in the comments. I read them and try to guide each one personally. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more health information based on science and Ayurveda. This is Dr. Ayur Mulan, wishing you a healthy and aware life ahead. Take care and stay well.